Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the camera control button on your iPhone 16 series, which includes the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So the camera control button is placed right below the power button on your iPhone 16 series. If you're on any screen and with always on display enabled, a physical hard press where you feel a click is going to open the camera application. Then you take picture by pressing that button one more time. Now if you are in video mode, a long hard press of the camera control is going to start the video recording, and then another hard press where you feel the click is going to stop the video recording. And if you want to record videos while you're in photo mode, all you have to do is press and hold the camera control button. It is going to start the video recording. When you let go, video recording is going to stop and you will be back in the photo mode. Now, a pro tip over here is that if you have your always on display disabled, right, and then you press the camera control, the first press is going to open the lock screen. The second press, if your device is awake, is going to open the camera, and then the same thing applies. Press one more time to take a picture, press and hold to start recording a video, let go, and the video recording is going to stop. Now, once you are in the camera application, a light squeeze of the camera control is going to open the option of changing settings for a particular mode. So my recommendation is press your finger on the camera control, place it over there. Do not do the hard press, just do a light squeeze. And now you can change this setting by sliding over the camera control. This is one setting which you can change. This is the tone. If you want to say switch over to some other setting which the camera control button lets you change, then you have to do a double tap squeeze. So again, place your finger on the camera control and two squeezes. So now I can switch between tone, styles, cameras, zoom, the depth, and the exposure. These are all the things I can change. Again, a single squeeze here is going to let me change the exposure by sliding over left or sliding over right. And again, a double squeeze from here, I can say switch between depth. So now if I want to change the depth, a single squeeze. Now I can change the depth using the camera control as a slider. Now, Apple does say that later this year they are going to introduce a two-stage shutter which will let you automatically lock focus and exposure with a light press on your iPhones with camera control button. Another cool thing which Apple has added to the camera control is that you see all these options to switch between the different modes. Well, have a look at this. You see, they disappeared as soon as I did a little press of the camera control. And that is a feature which Apple calls clear preview. Now that was all about how to use and interact with the camera control button on your iPhone 16 series. However, if you want to customize it, you do have a few options which are there. So you will go into settings. From the settings main page, you will go into camera. You will see the option for camera control. Select this, and we just talked about clean preview. So if you want to disable that, you have to disable this toggle. Then if you want to change the feature of single click to open camera to a double press or a double click of the camera control, you can do that. And then if you want to go into a specific mode, you can do that as well. So if you want your QR code scanner to be opened by default when you press the camera control, you can change that over here. Next, if we go back to the settings main page and you go into accessibility, scroll down, you will again see camera control. Herein, if for some reason you do not want to use the camera control button on your iPhone 16 series, you want to disable it outright, disable this toggle, and that is going to disable camera control on your iPhone 16 series. Then if you want to see the adjustments, you have a toggle for that, and you can also control the sensitivity of your single press and your double press or squeeze. So you can choose between lighter, default, and firmer for your single press or single squeeze, and for your double press or double squeeze, you have default, slow, and slower. And while you are on this screen, you can actually press the camera control button and get a feel of how firm or how light it is. So there it is. You will see the button animate depending on the pressure you apply when you are using or customizing the sensitivity of the camera control button on your iPhone 16. And there it is, peeps. That is how you use and customize the camera control button on your iPhone 16 series, which includes the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max.